marker, a straw, and some colored paper. Now, if your child is a right-handed cutter, then you'll want to draw your line going up on the right side. I like to use half sheets of construction or cardstock paper with students. They're a little bit easier to manage than a full sheet. And then here's an example. If your child is left-handed with scissor use, then you'll want to draw your line going up on the left side of the paper, just about an inch away, however thick you want your caterpillar to be. And then encourage them to really follow that line. Watch their line that you drew as they cut up, 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 all the way to the top. For left-handers, same thing. Encourage them to really watch that line. And another tip with accuracy and holding with better stability is to encourage them to keep their thumb at the same level as their scissors. As they go up, move that thumb up. Okay. Now you can discard those papers and you just have your 2 strips here. Next, we are going to fold our paper in half. Match those corners up and press really hard. Use those pincers to pinch, pinch, pinch and make a nice crease. Then we open it back up and we fold it to match that crease. Fold it in half and then in half one more time again. Then we do the other side, fold it in half to meet the middle, and fold it in half one more time. And then we're just going to strengthen that crease in the middle, fold it again. And you can set that one aside and do the other one. Fold it in half, open it up, and fold it towards that crease in half 2 times. Okay, now we're ready to open them up. You'll see a nice big arch and then 2 flat ends. Our caterpillars. So move them to the end of your table. Grab a straw. It's great if you have 2 straws, then you can race along with your child, and just blow some air to the top of the caterpillar to make it inch forward, up and down. It's kind of magical and fun to watch. So it's nice if your caterpillar has a nice big curve with nice creases. That kind of helps it move faster. This guy's a little slow and lazy, this green one. But have fun, and I hope you enjoy it.